Hey everyone, it's Tyiece here. So today I will be showing you guys how I transform my 4C natural hair using the Curlscurls Afro Kinky clip-ins. So this video is sponsored, and Curlscurls is a factory direct brand that offers affordable hair extensions. So these are upgraded from their regular clip-ins. These are called the seamless clip-ins. So I'm going to be showing you why they're called the seamless clip-ins. So this is how the hair looks. So in the package come extra clips, and this is the bundle of hair right here. This is the thick piece. So this comes with 10 clips, and it is perfect for a full head if you don't plan on leaving any hair out, as I did in this video. So the invisible seamless clip-ins have a much more invisible band when you attach it to your hair, and it's a lot more comfortable. So this is how the invisible clip-ins look in comparison to the regular clip-ins. So it's definitely an upgrade. So to begin, I am starting by washing my clip-ins with a co-wash. So this co-wash contains a clay, so it is clarifying the hair and conditioning the hair at the same time. So I want to preserve the beautiful curl pattern on this hair. It has a really gorgeous Afro Kinky. So this is perfect for making sure that I do not cause the curls to frizz up and allow them to pop more. So use something with a clay or use a clay mask. So after washing the hair, I just towel dry it. And now I will be applying some curl cream to the hair just to define the curls even more and lock in that beautiful texture. And then I apply a foam mousse to the hair. So the foam mousse is going to allow the curls to pop more, and it allow it to dry in a defined state. So after applying those products, I just shingle the hair, making sure that I define each curl carefully, and I repeat on all 10 pieces of clip-ins. To begin, I'm starting on my 4C natural hair, and this is how my hair is looking. So to prepare my hair for this hair, I'm going to be using a special technique, being that the curls are a lot more defined in comparison to my Afro Kinky hair. So I will be sectioning off a part in the front, and the front hair I will be doing flat roll twists just to blend it a lot more better. So after taking out the piece that I will be leaving out, now it's time to twist up the rest of my hair so that it can lay flat, because I won't be leaving out any of my hair, because as you can see, the hair texture is so different. It wouldn't blend that well if I left my hair out. And it also serves as a great protective style as well. So I always look for ways I can just put my hair up and allow it to rest without being out and exposed and over manipulated. So this is perfect for giving your hair a rest as well. So the back section is complete. Now it's time to move on to the front. So in the front hair, I will be doing a roll twist. So I just dampen that section, and then I apply some foam lotion to that section so that the hair can come out nice and uniform and blend as closely as possible to the texture of the clip-in. So I'm just roll twisting my hair straight back after sectioning it off, and then I secure that twist with a bobby pin. To begin, I'm using the longest piece of clip-in. So this one has 5 clips attached, and this is an even closer shot at the invisible texture of that band. So I begin by opening up those clips. So you just pop it open. They're very easy to open. So after opening, I align that first section at the very nape of my hair and just bring it around the crown of my head. And then I follow up with another 5 piece going straight around the crown of my head, right above that first piece. So you just hook the clip-ins onto your hair and then you close it so that it can be secure and it doesn't move. So since this is a curly hairstyle, you don't have to worry about letting your natural hair lay flat under those clip-ins because the poofiness creates more volume. So if you want more volume, you want your hair to be bigger, then you can make big chunky twists under your clip-ins or big chunky braids. If you want your curly hairstyle to lay even flatter and you want a much more smooth look closer to the head, then go ahead and do smaller twists under those clip-ins. So now I'm taking the short pieces just to fill in the side where the clip-ins weren't able to reach the front. So I do that on both sides of my head. So since this is a curly look that I'm going for, I'm just laying my edges with some gel just to allow it to look nice and uniform and to blend in as close as possible to this curly hair texture. And then I just brush that gel in, swoop it over those clip-ins, and then use a bobby pin to secure those edges with the clip-ins. So overall, I am pleased with the experience of the invisible clip-in extensions. The only con I have is that I have to do a bit more work to blend the Afro Kinky hair texture with my 4C natural hair. But like all their other units that I own, the quality of the hair is really nice. It is superior. They last long, being that it's human hair. And I've never had a problem with Curlscurls, so they always come through with bomb extensions. Now I'm using my scarf to lay over those twists and right behind the edges. So this is going to help to cover up any tracks that are exposed in the front. So you can leave some hair out if your hair texture is closer to the curlier texture. You can definitely leave some of your hair out, but I couldn't leave my hair out because my hair is 4C and it's Afro Kinky. So it blends better with a much more Afro clip-in, but I wanted to try a new style with this hairstyle. So this is the end result of the hair. Definitely let the middle section of twist dry. So I did use a blow dryer to dry it down. Once it dry, the foam will dry transparent and it won't be white anymore. So these are the end results of my clip-ins transformation. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave me a like, some comments down below, and subscribe for weekly tutorials.